We are at the Little 500 Festival Hot Rod and Classic Car Show in Anderson down Meridian Street. And you're looking at one of the best shows in central Indiana for classic collector cars, restored cars, and original cars. We have over 100 cars here today, actually 108. And they are all top quality. Anderson has over 100 years of automotive history right here. Some of the very first cars were made in Anderson even before General Motors came here. The judges will look at 5 or 6 different areas to score. One of them is the exterior paint, the interior, the engine compartment, how old the car is, whether it is 20 plus or 50 plus, whether or not it has seat belts, a first aid kit, a fire extinguisher, and all the safety components of having a car. And then whether or not it is like one family owned, one person owned. Yeah. And we get people who pull in here. They don't necessarily want to be judged, but they will donate, $20 entry fee and not be judged and just enjoy the atmosphere and their friends and talking about cars.